Write down the coordinates of the image of a point 3, minus 2 when reflected in the x-axis. We know that the rule to find a reflection of a point in the x-axis, first one, retain the abscissa, that is x-coordinate. And the second one, change the sign of ordinate, that is y-coordinate. So, point P of 3, minus 2 is the image of the point, right? So, point P dash of 3, 2 is the image on the reflection. This is the correct one for first one. And the second one, reflected in the y-axis. So we know that the rule, that is a reflection of a point in y-axis. We have to change the sign of the abscissa, that is the x-coordinate, and retain the ordinate, that is y-coordinate. So this is the rule for y-axis, reflection of a point, rule for y-axis. X-coordinate oda sign change panano first. Appo P dash of for second one. This is the first one, this is the second one. For second one, P dash of minus 3 and minus 2 will come as such. So this is reflection in y-axis. We know that. And third one, reflected in the x-axis followed by reflection in the y-axis. That on reflection in x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let it be like this. So this is the x dash, x, this is y, and this will be y dash. So on reflection in x-axis, the point P of 3, minus 2. P of 3, minus 2 will come here. P of 3, 3, minus 2. P of 3, minus 2. Reflection will be P of 3, 2. So P of 3, 2. This is the reflection. On reflection in x-axis, the point P of 3, minus 2 becomes P dash of 3, 2, which on further reflection in y-axis becomes P double dash of minus 3, 2. Here, P double dash of minus 3, 2. Correct. As shown in this graph. So reflected in the x-axis followed by reflection in the y-axis. So on reflection in x-axis, the point 3, minus 2 becomes P dash of 3, 2, which on further reflection in the y-axis becomes P double dash of minus 3, 2 as shown in the graph. So the final image after reflection is P double dash of minus 3, 2 is the answer for third one. And the last one, reflected in the origin. So P of 3, minus 2 will become P double dash of minus 3, 2. We have to change the sign of the abscissa, that is x coordinate, and we have to change the sign of ordinate, that is y coordinate. Thank you.